Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So I just installed this faucet and you can see how loose this faucet is. The reason is because the particle board underneath where this faucet mounts has rotted away. So where the old faucet was, you can see the discoloration, the staining, and you can also see the rotting particle board in all three places here. So I'm going to show you a simple way to fix this problem. So what we'll do now is material and tools. Alright, this is the material and tools list for this job. So I have a piece of plywood. I have my Ryobi drill bit set. My cordless kit, I believe I only need a cordless drill, work light, extension cord, hacksaw, and then I have my pouch. So measuring tape, pencil, and whatever else I might need on this job. Guys, this is the material and tools list for this job. So let's fix this faucet. So the space is 4 inches. The piece of plywood I have is 3.5. So I don't need to make it any shorter than it is. I just need to cut down a length that we're going to figure out how long to go in just a moment. So 12 inches will cover all 3 rotted areas. I suggest go a little bit longer. I'm going to go with 14, and that is going to scab all the way across this area, and it's going to help stabilize the faucet when it's being used. With the faucet removed, a 1-inch drill bit is big enough for the stud. I suggest to go a little bit bigger. You don't want to go too big, but you also don't want to go too small so you have enough place. So there's a happy medium. So I'm going to drill the hole closer to one side, and that should make everything work out. So we'll take a look after I've drilled the hole. This is what the piece of plywood looks with the hole drilled into it. Now you can always slide the plywood back and forth as long as you're not going to crash into anything else. As you see here, there is nothing else in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hacksaw and then I'm going to cut a slot from the hole to the edge of the plywood. So with the washer, the marks is where I'm going to cut out. The idea is that the lines will be able to go through the cutout area because the stud is going to go through the hole. So here's the plywood that has been installed. You see the reason for the notch, otherwise the lines are not going to go through because they go on the outside of the hole where the threaded stud goes through. But I've tightened the nut down, so what we're going to do is look at how tight the faucet is to the newly piece of installed plywood. Alright, so giving the faucet a shake, you can see how firm and stable it is now. So if you run into a problem where the laminate countertop has started to rot away, you can take a piece of plywood, drill a hole, and put it underneath. As long as you cut it to fit, then everything should work out. But this is a very simple, quick, and effective way to fix this problem. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.